Hey guys, no sales or gimmicks here today. I'd like to tell you my story and share some of my goals with you that you might find interesting for yourself. Back in early 21, I got lucky enough to get my hands on one of these beauties here. I purchased my boat from Vancouver Island. Considering the fact that there is barely any info on it, I decided to take my chances. I always like to root for underdogs. Fast forward to early spring of 22, plus 100 hours on this brand new outboard. I realized that this boat is giving me nothing but smiles every time I take it out on the water. And I'm not talking about nice summer day canoe cruise rides. I'm talking about winter trips when the temperature is below zero. I'm talking about wind 30 plus kilometers an hour and 4 or 5 day long fishing trips on Sunshine Coast. My mission over the next few months is to highlight the most important features of this boat so that I can paint a better picture for you. Thank you. Let's go.